Hey, hello everybody. This is Dr. Rob at Vallejo Health and Wellness Center, and today I wanted to make a quick video about some of the recent research that's out there regarding this coronavirus, or the COVID-19 virus, and how it enters the cells and does its job of replicating and expanding throughout the body, and something that may be helpful for you to prevent it. So what we're learning is that there is an enzyme called Angiotensin converting enzyme, and there's a lot of this enzyme in the cells of our lungs, also the heart, and on every cell in those particular tissues there is what's called an angiotensin converting enzyme receptor. That's kind of like the way that something would enter the cell. It's like a docking station on the cell surface. So it looks like this COVID-19 virus is gaining access to the cells by way of that receptor. It gets in kind of like picking a lock and gets into the cell, and then it multiplies. So there are some things that you can do that actually can downregulate or kind of interfere with the virus's ability to get into that receptor site. And there's a product we have, it's called Kapparest, and I've been using this with patients for several years because of its anti-inflammatory effects. And it's interesting because the name Kappa actually comes from the term NF-KappaB, which is basically a type of inflammatory reaction that occurs when we get in contact with viruses or chemical toxins. So it's something we all have, but the different types of herbs that are in here have been shown to influence in a positive way and decrease inflammation. So the things that are in this include, let me just read this to you, curcumin, which is turmeric. It's got boswellia, propolis, green tea, ginger, rosemary, alpha lipoic acid, several other things. And the thing I love about it is that we know that in the body there are multiple different pathways that we can create inflammation. And for example, if you were to take a certain type of medication, an anti-inflammatory drug, it might work on one of those pathways. This was formulated so that the different herbs that are in here would affect each one of the different 7 or 8 pathways. So really good product. And another thing I wanted to talk about is garlic. Garlic, taken in a couple of cloves a day by mouth, has also been shown to highly affect different types of bacteria and even parasites and things like that as it gets into the lungs. You can get a product called Alliciden that is in a capsule form. It's really a high concentration of bare garlic in a capsule, or you can just chew up garlic yourself. You'll notice people say, well, you've got garlic breath, and you think, well, it's because I just ate a bunch. Well, really what's happening is that the chemical constituents of the garlic actually seep, after they get into your digestive system, get into your bloodstream, and they get into the lungs, you're actually breathing those compounds out. That's where the garlic breath comes from, and that's a good way of telling you that this stuff is really working in your lungs. So those are a couple things that you can maybe add to your arsenal to try to get and stay as healthy as possible during this coronavirus outbreak. And I hope this made sense, and you guys have a great day. God bless you.